What's up, all you flamingo lovers? You want to see the craziest, coolest biting flamingo there is? Here, right here. Look, here comes all the flamingos right here. Here it comes. Right here. Nothing? No? Oh, I actually touched them. How cool is that? Look at this guy. Wow, look how cool that is. Man. look at this. Oh, you got to cup your hand, make like you got something. Is that what you done? Look, he's right next to me. He's talking to me. Watch this. I now know the trick. You gotta cup your hand like you got food. Here. You gonna come? Oh, they got a drinking thing. Look, this is for drinking. Look. There you go. Uh-oh, this one is mean, this one, right here. This one right there, chasing the other ones. Oh, look at this. Not only you got an iguana on the bush, I never seen that. Look. What's up, buddy? Are you even scared? You're not scared, are you? Can I pet you? You gonna bite me? You gonna bite me? Don't bite me. Okay. I won't pet you. I won't pet you. There's the lagoon. The flamingos. The more flamingos. Some really cool big-eyed birds. Look at those big-eyed birds. You got the flamingo lady. You got the fake hand. They know that trick already. How you know that trick? I might have food. No? That's too funny. That's too funny. Can I get a little bit? Here.
Here, put your hand up, buddy.
Just a little. That's too much. There you go. Now I got some food. Oh, they know I got food now. You see the food? You see the food? Yeah. Now I got some food. Now you're my best friend. Nah? Okay. Oh, there they all go. They're migrating. They're all migrating. We're gonna follow them. You want some?
Oh, there is. Oh.
Okay. How about you? How about you? Can you see the food? Can you see it now? No? What do you... what's going on there? Huh? Are you trying to... Huh? What's going on? Look how close I am. Like, I could touch the camera to him. Oh, yeah. You want some food? You see it?
Are you waiting for some food?
Wow. They must be full. Everybody fed them already. How about you? Food? You see the food? No. How about you? This one. Man, I never see them walk away from food. There you go. Okay, you go. The only hungry one on the whole island. Uh-oh, don't knock it off. Those little vultures down there, they're gonna get them. Gonna get them. Yeah. Whoa! You're not gonna believe what's on my arm. The bird flew on my arm. Look. Hi, buddy. Look. Ow! Did you just? Ow! Ow! Ow!
Don't bite me. I didn't do anything.
Ow!
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Yeah. Okay. Easy. Pretty funny, right? You know I love Flamingo Island. See you on the next Flamingo adventure.